Good morning, friends. Have a nice day. Today practice Tolasana. Tolasana techniques and benefits and precaution. So let's go start first techniques. Sit down and cross leg sitting position. Lotus pose. Both hands side your thigh and slowly leg up, look fan side, hold and slowly down. You see Tolasana. This posture's benefits: first, your hand muscles very strong, and this posture's time duration starting 10 seconds and slowly gradually increase 30 and 1 minute. Hold. And precaution, this posture's precaution: any bone deformities, bone pains and big hands, not apply these postures. You like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.